So this is a quick quality of life tutorial tip for Unity that's going to make a lot of developers kick themselves when they see it. Here's the scenario. You've downloaded an asset pack from the Unity Asset Store. In this case, I've downloaded the Low Poly Wild Animals pack, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want it. And you want to add one of the characters to your scene. You're clicking through, wondering which one you're going to add, and you're using the little tiny preview window on the inspector to work out which one you want. But here's the thing, this is a terribly small little tiny window, and you can change that, and I see a lot of developers do this. They expand the window, work out which one they want, they drag and drop it into their scene, and then put the window back where it was. Now, that's no way to live, and when they see this tip, it kind of annoys them a little bit. But the three dots here, you press that, you can convert this window to a floating window. Now you've got a much bigger view to see the character you actually want. And even better, you can dock this view, and now it's one of your tabs. And you could say, go and find a different item that you want to use and just use the preview window there to pick out that item. And that's a quick little quality of life tip from me to you.